Hi, Mommy! Happy birthday! Ingat ka palagi dyan. Sana isipin mo na as much as I would like to be with you, well, in time siguro, babawi talaga ako sa'yo ng bonggang-bongga.
When shadows fall and block my eyes, I am lost and know that I must hide. It's a long, long journey till I find my way home to
Thank you sa lahat ng sacrifices.
many
Sa lahat ng mga napadala mo sa amin, kay Jello. Thank you. You're always in my prayers. I miss you so much. Basta ingatan mo palagi sarili mo dyan.
wondering how to make me strong. I know I will falter, I know I will cry, I know you'll be standing by my side. It's a long, long journey, and I need to be close to you. Sometimes it feels no one understands. I don't even know why I do the things I do. When pride builds me up till I can't see my soul, will you break down these walls and pull me through? 'Cause it's a long, long journey till I feel that I am worth the price you paid for me on Calvary. Beneath those stormy skies, when Satan mocks and friends turn to foes, it feels like everything is out to make me lose control. 'Cause it's a long, long journey till I find my way home to you. Oh,
Sing happy birthday to Grandma. To you lang. Happy birthday to you lang. I love you.
Us again, happy birthday. Nakita ko yung picture mo, nag-email ka sa akin. Nag-MMS ka, hindi ko mabuksan until now, but I still have to go to that site. I'll open it soon. But I saw your pictures with the two dogs. You still look very good. You're still the beautiful mom that I know of. XX number of years ago. So I still remember the same mom with the picture that I saw. Stay beautiful, stay simple. I wish you all the best on your birthday. Happy life, happy love life, happy all. You deserve all the best.
You were there for me to love and care for me when skies were gray. Whenever I was down, you were always there to comfort me. And no one else can be what you've been to me. You'll always be, you will always be the girl in my life for all times. Mama, Mama, you know
sa lahat ng tulong at ng padala. Sobrang na-appreciate po namin. Ingat po parati. Good health.
You're always down for me, you've always been around for me, even when I was bad. You showed me right from my wrong. Yes, you did. And you took off for me when everyone was down on me. You always did understand. You gave me a chance.
Happy birthday.
Smile ka. Huwag na.
Sana okay ko dyan. I miss you.
Stay.
Siyempre, kahit lola ka na. Stay healthy. Stay healthy. Love you, lola, lola. Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday and God bless you and be healthy and stay healthy and always smile. Bye. And we'll pray for you. Miss you. Bye. Love you.
Your love is like tears from the stars. I just want
What happened to you? Hope there's nothing serious naman. Okay naman po kami dito. Ito, sobrang kulit. Itong ako na dito. So, super daldan na rin siya.
Huwag na, Pao.
God bless you, Mami. Always take care. And we love you and we miss you very much. Bye, Lola. Say bye-bye. Say hi. Bye-bye.
Give Lola one big laugh.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Lola.
Give Lola one big laugh.
Bye. I sing the hot dog, diggy-diggy-da. Where's it? Bye. Mama. Mama. Kiss. Mwah.
Okay, bye.
Lisa.
Birthday, Lola. Everybody now. Happy birthday, Lola.
Happy birthday, Mama, I just want you to know. Loving you is like food to my soul. Loving you is like food to my soul.
So, bye-bye. Say bye-bye to Grandma. Bye-bye. Love you.
Say labo.
Love you.
Ay, no. Say labo. O, say good night.
Say good night. Good night.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday
Kita
to you. Happy birthday, Lola.